Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to continue learning chapter 2, that is differentiation. For subtopic 2.2, that is techniques of differentiation, part 1. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to use the basic rule of differentiation and use the sum rule of differentiation. Now we will proceed with basic rule of differentiation. So we have three parts. The first one is constant rule. If f(x) equal to k, where k is any constant, then f prime x equal to 0. For example, if I have f(x) equal to 5, so 5 is a constant, then when we want to find the differentiation, f prime x is equal to 0. Okay, the second part is power rule. If n is the element of real number, the derivative of fx equal to x power of n is f prime x equal to n times x power of n minus 1. For example, if I have fx equal to x power of 3, so if we differentiate f prime x, okay, we will get our n is 3. So 3 times x and then n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we will get f prime x equal to 3x power of 2. The third one is constant multiple rule. If k is any constant and is the element of real number, the derivative of fx equal to k times x power of n is f prime x equal to k times n times x power of n minus 1. So if I have fx equal to 2x power of 3, so f prime x is equal to, okay, our k is 2 and then n is 3, so 2 times 3 and then multiply with x n minus 1. So our n is 3, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we will get 6x power of 2. Okay, let's do the example. So differentiate each of the following. Okay, the first one is y equal to 3. We differentiate dy over dx. Since 3 is a constant, so our dy over dx is equal to 0. Okay, the second one, y equal to ln 2. Ln 2 is also a constant. Then dy over dx equal to 0. The third one, y equal to pi. So we know that pi equal to 3.142. So this is also a constant. So differentiate a constant, dy over dx is equal to 0. So number 4 is basic rule for power rule. So we have y equal to x squared. Differentiate with respect to x, dy over dx is equal to 2x. Okay, next. Number 5, we have y equal to 1 over x power of 4. Okay, so firstly, you need to change 1 over x power of 4 in index form. So we'll get x power of negative 4. Then we can differentiate. So our dy over dx is equal to negative 4x power of negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Or you also can write down negative 4 over x power of 5. Number 6, if we have y equal to 3 times zx. So firstly, you need to change our zx in index form. So 3x power of 1 over 2. Then we can differentiate. Then dy over dx is equal to, so 3 times our n is 1 over 2 times with 1 over 2 x 1 over 2 minus with 1. Then we will get 3 over 2 x 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2. And then you can simplify 3 over 2 x negative 1 over 2 is 1 over x power of 1 over 2. Or you also can state 3 over 2 zx. Okay, next, sum or different rule. So if fx and gx are differentiable functions, the derivative of hx equal to fx plus minus gx is hx equal to f prime x plus minus g prime x, which means you need to differentiate each of the function. So let's do the example. So differentiate each of the following. So 2a, we have y equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 1. Differentiate dy over dx. Okay, we will get 3 times 2 is 6x, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus with 5, plus 1 is a constant is plus 0. So our dy over dx equal to 6x minus 5. Okay, b, v equal to 5t squared plus t cubed minus 1 over t. Okay, now we have v in terms of t. We need to differentiate v with respect to t. So dv over dt. But before we want to differentiate, you need to change negative 1 over t in index form. Okay, so we have 5t squared plus t cubed minus 1 over t is t power of negative 1. Then differentiate dv over dt. Okay, so 5t squared is 10t plus t cubed is 3t squared. Okay, minus 1 is plus t, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Or you also can write down 10t plus 3t squared plus 1 over t squared. C, we have y equal to x power of 3 minus 4x plus zx plus e power of 4. Firstly, we have zx here. Okay, so you need to change in index form. So we have x power of 3 minus 4x plus zx is x power of 1 over 2 plus e power of 4. E power of 4, if you calculate, you will get a constant. So if we differentiate e power of 4, we will get equal to 0. And then we can differentiate y with respect to x. So dy over dx equal to x power of 3 is 3x power of 2 minus 4 plus 1 over 2x, 1 over 2 minus 1, you'll get negative 1 over 2, differentiate e power of 4 is 0. Okay, so this is the answer, or you also can write down 3x squared minus 4 plus 1 over 2 zx. Okay, so that's all for today. You just learned the basic rule of differentiation, okay, and the sum or difference of rule of differentiation. So don't forget to do these exercises and turn in your GC. That's all, guys. Thank you.